is going to be a step-by-step video on how to marinate a pork shoulder on a pellet grill. Let's go. All right, so let's jump right into it. You want to go ahead and rinse this pork shoulder very well and dry it, pat it dry, put some mustard and put this bonding agent, which is basically, you know, for the rub to stick well, you need a bonding agent. And all that really is something that the spices will stick to the rub really well and it doesn't fall off. Because if you just try to put the rub, let me tell you, it's not going to stick very well. You're not going to have that bark. So should I tell you what's in my rub? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. But you know what? I'm feeling pretty nice today. And since you guys are all fans of mine and I love you guys, absolutely. So here it is. This is the Benjizi rub. Cajun, lemon pepper, garlic salt, black pepper, cumin, tajin, the list goes on, but this is it for you guys here, guys. It's pretty simple rub. I always like to make my own rub and I put it everywhere. So when you're marinating this pork shoulder, you got to make sure you get all the nook and crannies, under the skin, on the side of the skin, on the skin. So let's go ahead and put some mustard on the skin as well. You want some flavor on there. Now the rub, it won't stick very well on the skin itself, but you might get a little bit that will stick, and that's good enough for me. So I still put it on there. I coat the heck out of this thing. And another thing, you cannot over salt this thing, so stop trying to be like, oh, I don't want to put too much salt. You're gonna be fine. Okay, it's a big piece of meat, don't worry about it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, it's a huge help to my channel, and subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. All right, you guys, look, be generous with the rub, and we're ready to put this thing on the smoker. Look how beautiful this looks.